Hey folks, we're here at the Tone Traveler headquarters here in Chapel Hill, North Carolina, and we're back here with our old buddy Bob. We made a video about Bob after we bought it out in Nashville a year ago, and showed you some of the weird things that have been done to it, and our old pal John Arnold said, let's put that thing back right and put the original fingerboard back on it. We fixed around the bridge and a few other little things. So Bob's been in rehab, as we say, but Bob successfully got through the program, and he's come back to Chapel Hill. And well, let's just go ahead and put it on the Tone Traveler for a few hours and let you see how that works and see how it sounds afterwards. Because a lot of times after repairs are done, a guitar really needs to be brought back to life after kind of being taken apart and put back together. And a lot of our friends like John and Lynn Dudenbostel, Randy Wood, a lot of people who work on guitars and build them, including actually George Gruen's repair department has 8 of them to put on their guitars they're working on there. So we'll let you hear it after we're done. Well, we're in here doing an experiment with Bob. We're exactly 29 inches off the floor, as you can see from the photo, and 29 inches from this metal wall here that I can't back up against. So I'm going to sit right up against it, and I'm going to hold my guitar right here in place where this Neumann KM84 is pointing right at the edge of the fingerboard at the body. I'll play you some chords. You can just kind of get a feel for, or we'll get a feel for what it sounds like. I'll not play anything fancy because I'm not a fancy guitar player. Traveler for 5 or 6 hours and see what happens. Hey folks, we're back, and we're going to make sure the mic hasn't moved. And so it's going to be 29 inches off the floor, as it was before, and 29 inches off of this steel wall right here to show that we've kept everything the same. So that's about exactly what we had. So now we're going to try and see what old Bob sounds like after he spent some time on the Tone Traveler. All right, here we go.